I won't let nothing separate us so now. What you dream at night, honey, I hope they'll all come true for you. But the sweet dreams I dream at night, baby, they're all about loving you, wanting you and needing you, darling, now. Separate us. Nothing in the world. I won't let nobody touch you. I won't let nobody just say anything, and I'll just be right with you, baby.